You're about to spend an extra 1.7 Indian rupees lakh on a new 2026 Brezza for features you simply don't need. That same 1.7 Indian rupees lakh could actually cover your car insurance for 5 full years or fuel your commute for over 40,000 kilometers. Now, I'm going to show you the exact variant that gives you 90% of the Brezza's value for 15% less cost. And I'll also reveal the hidden truth Maruti isn't telling you about their so-called premium features. The Brezza has always been a powerhouse for Maruti, a compact SUV that consistently tops sales charts here in India. For 2026, Maruti isn't reinventing the wheel, they're perfecting it. Expect a sharper, more sophisticated design language, building on its already muscular stance. Inside, there'll be an updated infotainment system, perhaps even a larger digital instrument cluster and subtle refinements to the cabin materials. This isn't about revolutionary changes. It's about making a winning formula even stronger. While the global compact SUV market is eyeing electrification, the Indian 2026 Brezza will double down on its highly efficient petrol powertrain. This will be the next evolution of the K15C engine, likely with an even more refined mild hybrid system. Maruti knows its Indian buyers, and affordability, low running costs, and unmatched reliability are simply non-negotiables. We expect to see this refreshed Brezza hitting showrooms by Q2 2026, with bookings opening a couple of months prior. Now let's talk about the specs that truly matter to you, the Indian buyer, not just brochure figures. For the 2026 Brezza, we're projecting a class-leading mileage figure of 25 kilometers per liter for the manual and close to 23 kmpl for the automatic. Both are absolutely vital for managing your daily fuel budget when petrol is at 105 Indian rupees a liter. The boot space will remain a practical 328 liters, which is perfectly adequate for your weekly grocery run or that family road trip to Goa. Ground clearance? A segment best 198 millimeters. This ensures you glide over those infamous Indian speed breakers and unpaved rural roads without a second thought. And here's a crucial insight most reviews gloss over. Many people don't know that the core structural integrity of the Brezza, even in its lower variants, comes from a meticulously engineered mix of high-tensile and ultra-high-tensile steel strategically placed for maximum impact absorption. This isn't just about adding airbags. It's fundamental safety design. The 2026 model takes this a step further, with Maruti targeting a full 5-star GNCAP safety rating across its variants. This ensures your family's safety is never compromised, regardless of which model you choose. Now, let's dive into the numbers that will actually decide your purchase. The trap variant I'm talking about is the hypothetical 2026 Brezza VXi Plus Automatic. This top-end model is expected to carry an ex-showroom price of around 11.5 Indian rupees lakh. When you add RTO, insurance, and other charges, its on-road price in a city like Mumbai could easily touch 13 Indian rupees lakh. With a standard 20% down payment and an 8.5% interest rate over 60 months, you're looking at an EMI of roughly 21,300 Indian rupees. Now, consider the smart choice. The 2026 Brezza VXi manual. We project its ex-showroom price to be 9.8 Indian rupees lakh. That's a direct 1.7 Indian rupees lakh saving right there. For Mumbai, the on-road price for this variant would be approximately 11.15 Indian rupees lakh. With the same loan terms, your EMI drops significantly to around 18,300 Indian rupees. That's a clear 3,000 Indian rupees, less you're paying every single month. Over 5 years, that's an extra 1.8 Indian rupees lakh in your pocket, essentially paying back the entire premium you would have spent on the VXi Plus. And with petrol at 105 Indian rupees per liter and the Brezza's projected 25 kmpl, your running cost is a highly affordable 4.2 Indian rupees per kilometer. So, how does this stack up against the competition? Take the Tata Nexon Creative Petrol, priced around 9.99 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom, or the Hyundai Venue S. At 9.89 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. Both are excellent cars, no doubt. The Nexon offers a robust build and a distinctive design, but so